Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarscles TV. You have me, Mark, and for this warm Thursday afternoon, whew, summer is really here. Uh, and I appreciate the brightness though. So anyway, we this came across the feed. Jolina Magdangal performing the song Tuloy Pa Rin live on the Wish Bus. So Jolina Magdangal is a Filipino singer. The song Tuloy Pa Rin is it's definitely not her song. If I am to guess, this is an original from the Neo Colors. Tuloy Pa Rin. Tuloy means continue, continue, and then pa rin is meaning still. So roughly, so if we directly translate it, it would mean continue still. So let's listen to the song and see what does that mean or continue what, right? So before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go. In three, two, one.
Wish 1075.
Sa wari ko'y lumipas ng kadiliman ng araw. Dahan-dahan listeners. This is Jolina Magdangal, and for more
And that is the end of the song. The song is very nostalgic. This is so the this, so I was right. So this is from Neo Colors, and this is like a classic. You would hear this not played not only in the radio but also played or performed song in the karaoke bars. It's like the ultimate nostalgia and also killing song. Killing, I'll describe and associate it with my reaction later. So in the description, it says this is a rendition of the Neo Colors hit, serving as the theme for her 2025 movie with Marvin Agustin, XX Lovers. Oh, nice. It conveys a message of perseverance and hope. So that I think that's the key word here, perseverance. Marvin Agustin is her like love team for one of his most notable love team. I don't think she had any other love team. I'm not 100% sure, but when you think about Jolina Magdangal on screen and her love team in movies, that's the name that will always come up. And I'm wondering, for those who are Filipinos out there, bakit ba hindi naging sila? Why didn't they, as far as I know, they didn't become actual partners or they did not date. So it's more of just an on screen thing, and they just have that beautiful chemistry to up to this date. When you see them together, you can see the spark between them. But for some reason, I don't know why they did not came to be. Why didn't it? It's like from a fans or from a viewer's perspective. You can say that they really click, right? Anyway, so I'll be anticipating this movie. Super cheesy, super love story, I presume. Anyway, we go back to the reaction. So comparing to the original is a bit faster, and it has the complete sound. Like what I mean was there's a drum part during the verse. So in Jolina's version, she chose to slow it down a bit, and then also have the beat or the drum part start, I think, somewhere in the first chorus. Nothing bad there, just a an observation. And what I think, what she's trying at the what she was able to achieve by doing this version, it gave more on the kilig factor. uh so kilig so if we are to I don't know if there's an actual translation for it, but when you say kilig, it's that feeling when you see someone someone you have feelings for or attracted to, whether it's seeing or you heard whether it's something they said. So it's not necessarily, so from a visual perspective, if you see someone you have a crush on, something like that, or not necessarily someone you have a crush on, but when he says something cheesy or sweet, it gives you that feeling of having that butterfly in the stomach, and then makes you wanna shiver, like "Yee!" That kind of feel. That's killing. Um, so I think Jolina was able to achieve that killing factor because of the nostalgia of the song, and when you think about Jolina and then you associate it with an on-screen partner, you think about their love thing, it just falls in place. Also, a nice approach here, from an arrangement perspective, still is the lead part. So in the lead part, the original had that glam rock style guitar, like the with those nice bends and nice tone. In this version of Jolina, so it's more on a more subtle version. They use like some sort of what sounds like a nylon string guitar. So it's also a nice play there because of the uh, what makes nylon string or acoustics lead parts for me is the challenge, the complexity or the challenge of there are no effects to cover any miss any erroneous playing, whether you played the wrong note, or you were not able to pick it, and you picked the wrong string, there it has to be like it's like a, miss or hit or miss. So you either play it right or it's not gonna sound right, because there's no effect, a guitar effect to cover. It's just the actual sound of the string. So overall, it's a very cool song to listen to. It brings back memories. And by the way, so I was supposed to give you, or if it hasn't, I was supposed to describe or tell you what that tuloy pa rin is. As I mentioned earlier in the beginning, tuloy means continue. Pa rin is like still, so continue still. In the chorus, the lyrics goes, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Tuloy pa rin, continue still, ang awit, the song, buhay ko, my life. So, the song of my life goes on. And then, magbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Magbago, change, man, even, ang puso, the heart, and then mo is you. So, even if your uh, heart changes form or changes shape, so it's so that, and hence the description of perseverance and hope. So even when if, even where whether it goes your way or not, story of my life continues. But in the song, there's also that, in the verses, it does talk about feeling of hope. So one of the parts of the verse, in the second verse, the line goes something like, uh, kung minsan pa hinahanap ang ano, kung minsan pa hinahanap ang alaala ng iyong halik. Ay, okay. Kung minsan pa, I don't know how to translate, but kung minsan pa naaalala pa. So there are times I remember, kung minsan ay ah there are times I'm searching for the memory of your kiss. So something like that. So there's still that looking back moments. So it's not as if the chorus, although it does say move forward. So in some parts of the verse, it still talks about looking back at those good times, and there's still hope. If it comes back, it comes back. If it doesn't, then we move forward. So very cool song, good vibes and a nice tone. And there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.